The next crossroads comes, okay, what do we do now? We were about $10 million in revenue and making good money. The company was running very well. We had a great crew. I wasn't taxed to the point to where like, oh, I got to sell this thing, The question really became, what do I want to do next? And do I have enough money to do what I want to do next? And when you get to, and a lot of people know this that are in business in general, but there are plateaus you hit. It's $1 million in revenue, it's 5 million, 7.5. When you start getting up there in revenue, you start having to build more and more infrastructure and people and systems to support that. So we were at the $10 million mark, and really to go to 20, we were really going to have to double down and make some big investments in software and a new facility. And, there's so many other things that I like to do that are in the industry or an adjacent industry that I wanted to do. So I didn't really want to spend 15 more years of building our company to the next level if I could sell it, make sure it's in good hands, and then stay active in the industry. So working with Service Logic, we were able to put that deal together. You've seen you mentioned LinkedIn. My profile shows me active in about 6 different companies. And that's true, because right. I'm either a board member, investor, advisor, whatever. My core business is Service Logic and HVAC, but I have this crazy brain that can't be satiated off of one thing.